Welcome to Pocket Woman Lockpicking and Lock Sport. We had an issue with the Whitco Deadbolt coming separated from its other half. We had to get access to the screws to be able to get in. Well, you had to push these little lugs in, these little plugs in. You had to drill them out. I went to tap them so I could set the drill, and they just popped right through, which meant I couldn't access the screw heads, which meant I wasn't going to access the screw heads anyway, because as it turns out, that's our Whitco. The plugs went in there. That's our faceplate of our lock. Turns out these screws aren't screw heads, they're hex heads. So my Phillips head wouldn't have worked, my flat head wouldn't have worked. They're hex heads. So watch out, people, you'll get trapped with that when you go to do this. So I ended up having to use tweezers to go between the part that was coming apart from there. I used tweezers, and little bit by little bit I unscrewed the screws from the back of the lock, or the front of the lock to the back of the lock. So finally got access to these. That's your Whitco Deadbolt. What a hassle and a half to get that off. Well, if you don't want to go through the hassle I just went through, contact Paul Springett if you're in Adelaide, South Australia. He's got a video, 244, which explains how to get access to those, but as we know now, it's a hex bolt. So if you want him to come out and do this for you, give him a call. He's a locksmith here in Adelaide, and you won't have to go through what I just went through, half an hour of stuffing around. Well, I'll let you know how it goes when I put it all back together. Thanks for watching. Stay legal. Temptation is everywhere.